Hi, I'm Stuti.
Hi guys, I'm Sohini and we are
Beauty Newbies.
What is it?
Eyelash color. I have never seen this thing in my life.
Oh no!
I'm scared.
थोड़ी सी I guess.
दिख भी
नहीं पता नहीं चल रहा है.
हाँ अब do it आराम से.
Ow! Who did me eyelashes? It's scary. I thought it would go inside my eye.
Huh?
Jai Mata Di. It's concealer and I guess you have to do an inverted triangle or something.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Show me your face. What is this?
I thought this was a foundation, so you have to apply it and spread it.
No,
That's
you don't.
what somebody
you just
told me.
have to apply it on your marks.
Yeah, now I know what a concealer is.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, let's see now what the next shit has.
Brows.
Brows.
You just have to fill in your brows with this and then using this spoolie you have to brush your brow
See,
hair
I
out.
told you it was a brush.
Yeah, but it's called a spoolie.
Let me try.
Why are you extending it?
I don't know. I'm just doing whatever you did.
You did nothing.
Ooh.
Anyway, do hi bache, so let's go for it, Stuti.
Chalo.
Okay,
Highlight.
highlighter.
Okay. I know the textbook highlighter that we used to use in school. So, इसको लगाते कैसे हैं? इसके साथ करना क्या है?
So you just apply it over here. I'm doing it wrong.
Chal chutti.
But I can't do it. And you can even apply it over here to make your
But we just applied something on our brows.
under your brows. Show me your face.
No. No. This is not a canvas. You're not painting.
I am. Makeup is art, guys. Art.
No.
That's how you do it.
Oh
But don't
yeah.
That's
learn
how-
anything from me.
That's how she does it. I give up. Anyway, last thing left. Let's get over with this. Eyeliner.
Not a liquid liner. This is a liquid eyeliner.
There is a liquid and solid.
Yeah. No, it's. You don't have to draw mountains or,
I am trying.
Oh, you went for the famous winged liner.
No,
It just happened.
it just happened by mistake. Okay. Now you show me how it's actually done.
I don't apply.
See, you're doing it well. You know how to apply it.
No, I
You
don't.
were lying to me.
No, I don't.
You
Now
were
don't
lying.
talk to me. You
You-
are distracting
You
me.
were lying to me. I am a beauty newbie. You are not. You clearly apply a lot of makeup.
No, I'm a beauty newbie as well.
You know what all these things are.
Well, this was the first time I applied it, and
This looks like the first time you applied it, not this.
no, this exactly looks how
No, this. Have you seen this looks how you applied for the first time?
she did a pretty good job. Like, look
No.
at this piece of art.
No.
You do.
This is bad. I don't know how to apply makeup. I'm done with her and I'm done with makeup.
No, you are not done yet. We have to, close this video. So guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, which is BeBeautiful.
Look how I'm looking. What is? I'm never going to forgive you for this.
मैंने जो भी बोला on camera, that was a lie.
Yeah, exactly. Look how I'm looking.
It's okay.
I need to wash my face.
Yeah, let's go.